UGAS to the moon? What does that even mean? Hey traders, this video is going to be a continuation of my previous video where I discussed the most popular stock market terms, definitions, and calculations. Today, I'm going to be discussing with you some of the most commonly used slang within the trading community. This is an overview of the unofficial language that you will hear used across chat rooms and social media platforms alike. So if you're a trading student, this is going to be some great information for you if you're just getting your feet wet in the stock market and need to get caught up on the lingo. And if you haven't already seen my latest terms, definitions, and calculations video, I highly recommend you subscribe and go back and watch that, as it will put everything into perspective for you. Now let's get into it. To the moon, stonks, crushed. These are all part of the trader slang and lingo. They are expressions used by traders to describe a stock, its behavior, and their emotions in relation to it. These may come naturally and may make sense to the average trader, but to new traders, the language can be often confusing. This terminology is often open to interpretation, highly individualized, and may have various applications depending on the context. So let's take a look. I ate and to eat. This describes profits from a stock trade or investment. For example, I ate off of TIVX today. Bottom. This is a stock that has, is, or is going to decrease in price rapidly. For example, UGAS hit the bottom today. Crash. A stock that has, is, or is going to decrease in price rapidly. For example, UGAS crashed today. Free fall. A stock that has, is, or is going to decrease in price rapidly. For example, AAL went into a free fall today. Gains. Profits from a stock trade or investment. For example, I had massive gains from TIVX today. Losses. Losses from a stock trade or investment. For example, I had massive losses from AAL today. Green day or red day. Having made gains or losses from stocks. For example, I'm in the green today, or it's been a red day for me. Killed it or made a killing. Making very good profits from a trade. For example, I made a killing off of Tesla today. Market is another expression for the stock market. For example, how's the market doing today? Noobs, new or learning traders. For example, these noobs have a lot to learn. Play, a description of a stock trading plan in order to make a profit. For example, what's your stock play today? Runners, a description of a stock's movement. For example, check out these low float runners. Shot up or shooting up, a stock that has, is, or is going to increase in price rapidly. For example, this stock is shooting up today. Smash earnings, a stock's earnings report that has or will exceed projected earnings, revenue, or EPS. For example, this stock is going to smash earnings this quarter. Speculative, a hypothetical assumption about a stock's behavior. For example, this is a spec play on this stock, stonks. An intentional misspelling of the word stock, used as a humorous descriptor for losing crappy stocks. For example, time to check these stonks. Stopped out, a stock that falls in value and exceeds a stop loss limit, causing a loss in profits or opportunity to make profits. For example, I got stopped out today on UGAS, but I still made a profit. Supernova, a stock that has, is, or is going to increase in price extremely rapidly. For example, this low float runner went supernova today. Taking off, a stock that has, is, or is going to increase in price rapidly. For example, these stocks are taking off today. To the top, a stock that has, is, or is going to increase in price. For example, the stock went all the way to the top today. To the moon, a stock that has, is, or is going to increase in price rapidly. For example, DGAS to the moon. To the bottom, a stock that has, is, or is going to decrease in price. For example, this UGAS hit the bottom today. So this concludes the trader slang list. I hope you liked it, and if you did find value in it, please give me a thumbs up, as it really does help me out. And again, please feel free to go and watch my other related video on the stock market terms, definitions, and calculations, which I have posted separately. And if you would like help with planning your trades as well as finding the best stocks to invest in, then please don't hesitate to reach out to me on Instagram at Trade With Me. That's a 3, not an E at the end. And you can also follow me for an instant follow back And now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments if there are any other trader slang or lingo that you've heard that you want explained. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And please subscribe, as I will be coming out with new tutorials as well as the hottest stock picks each week. So please stay tuned for that. And with that, I will say thank you for watching and stay safe, people. Peace out.